Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Taker. In this video, I'll be talking about what is the best wallpaper for the Realme X7 Pro smartphone. Since the Realme X7 Pro has this kind of punch hole camera in the front, there are certain wallpapers which are really useful in this case, which will definitely will be helpful in terms of adding this kind of punch hole and which will simulate this kind of experience when you're using the devices. So if you're one of that kind of person which you has the Realme X7 Pro or any other smartphone which has similar kind of punch hole anywhere on the phone, try to check the links in description for the playlist of the wallpapers. So I already did so many videos on the punch hole and notch smartphone, dual punch hole like OnePlus Nord and Poco X2 and other smartphones. Try to check the links in description for this kind of wallpapers which you need to try compulsory as a live wallpapers as well. As you can see here, which is a currently right now I'm playing this kind of live wallpaper which is really attractive as well, as you can see, which looks pretty good. So this kind of live wallpapers will be available in the links in description. Don't forget to check the links in description. So in this video I'll be talking about the application name which is called ProPix, and in case if you want to download the application, you can download from a Telegram group. Another reason is that in the Telegram group there will be a promo codes which I'll be posting in the Telegram group. So definitely keep following in my Telegram. So if you can receive the promo codes, you can use application for free as well. So right now if you try to open this application, you'll be welcoming this kind of wallpapers which will be updated. I think every week they'll try to update this kind of wallpaper list for the punch hole camera which is in the Realme X7 Pro. And basically I did try this kind of application in my OnePlus 8T device, as you can see, so which has the same kind of punch hole camera which looks the kind of same to the Realme X7 Pro display. And all the wallpapers in this mobile phone, they'll try to simulate this kind of punch hole effect, as you can see friends, which looks really good and very attractive for this kind of punch hole mobile phones. And you can add the wallpaper as a favorite and you can download, but you need to have the pro model. So if you want to have the pro version, try to join my Telegram group. And next column is for the live wallpaper area, where there will be few kind of live wallpapers which may not be simulating the punch hole camera effect, but still this is another thing apart from the punch hole camera. This is just a live wallpaper, normal live wallpaper. As you can see, this is how it looks, the live wallpaper. And these are another trending wallpapers which will be available for this kind of punch hole camera phones. And one favorite part is that if you like the wallpaper, you can just click the favorites and all this kind of wallpapers will be added to the one final column, which is the favorites column. As you can see, these are my list of wallpapers which I did find useful for this kind of punch hole effect and which is kind of really attractive as well. Only those I have selected, as you can see here. So which is really good. It exactly simulates the Realme X7 Pro's camera. This is not any other location. So this is the exact camera location, as you can see, perfectly matched for this Realme X7 Pro device. So make sure to check the links in description for my Telegram group in case if you want to download the Pro model as well, as you can see. So for more wallpapers like this, don't forget to check the links in description for the playlist, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, keep watching my playlist of the Realme X7 Pro, which has so many really amazing videos and things to know as well. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.